What's good, guys? What's good? Happy Wednesday. Yeah, it's a beautiful Wednesday today. I'm trying to figure out how I can see your comments, right? I don't know why I disabled this. Where are the comments? I'm trying to figure out where I put the comments. Yes, nobody could get me. Now you can hear me. It's loud and clear now. Just let me know. Type a 1 if it's loud and clear. There's some echo, I think, because of the room I'm in today. So it's a little bit different. But just drop a 1 in the chat. Drop a 1 in the chat. If you can hear me, drop a 1 in the chat. I'm asking for some money. You're asking for some money? Join my Telegram and open an Exodus account. And then you're going to get yourself $100 if you're lucky. Stop asking for money. All right. Sound is good. Everything is good. Beautiful. Why are my comments up here? Let's try and sort this out. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Thanks for that. Thanks for the updates. I see all the ones. I see all the ones. I'm just back for our usual New York station stream, right? I hope you guys have been trading just fine. Just back for that, pretty much. I just figured out let's do a stream. But the office today. Let me show you guys the views. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful views, right? Look at that. Beautiful views. So I'm at the office today. So I come here like maybe once or like twice or like 3 times in a week. Yeah, I just come here. And I think the main reason why I come here is just to obviously get to meet some of my clients, right? Like I don't need an office to trade. You guys know that, right? Like you don't need a freaking like office. Like you don't need like a physical place. You know, all you need is your phone and your laptop, and you can basically go about trading. Then that's it. That's all you need. To be honest with you, like I don't think I need to actually even be here. You know, but because I have a couple things that I was doing here, meeting a couple people, you know, just training some of my students, teaching them how to trade and just that. You know, you don't need like a physical space, to be honest. What else is that? This is BTCUSD. This is a BTCUSD. This is a crypto BTCUSD. All right, let me show you what I'm looking for here. All right, let's check out this. Price apparently looks like it's in an uptrend. It went as high as this, all right? When it went as high as that, it came down to like an area of interest, which was 23.6. 23.6. When it got there, I think it started ranging, right? I don't really think this market is like overall bearish as of now, for the fact that if you look closely too, there's like an area here. Let me try and put it once again, all right? There's like, let's do this. There's like an area here. Yeah, do you guys see it? There's a level here. There's like a support level somewhere here. It's an area of interest. It's also like an exhaustion level, right? That I think price, if it comes back to this level, it could get further exhausted. You know, but again, it got exhausted earlier. So I'm thinking, well, maybe it could happen yet again, right? Yeah, so I'm just waiting to see what could happen inside here. Maybe we could buy, okay? Yeah, maybe we can look for like further continuations around this area. But currently price is dropping. It could be dropping maybe to like somewhere down here before it can go further up. I don't know, something like that. But it's been ranging as well. So we need to really just be careful. But this is BTCUSD. Somebody asking what asset is that? It's actually BTCUSD. What time does New York start? New York starts at 2 p.m. New York starts every day at around 2 p.m. Every freaking day around 2 p.m. I got myself... I've been buying a lot of gadgets lately, right? So I got like I've got like 2 DG mics, and I've got like another DG mic that I got today. I'm gonna test it on the stream. I want to test it on the stream. Somebody lied me, and they said that if I could buy this one, where did I put it? If I could get this one, it was gonna be even better. You know, it was gonna be even better. So we're gonna test this. Where is it? Oh. It's in this box actually. So let's try out this DG mic. This is a DG mic I'm using too, but we're gonna try out like a different DG mic. So I think it should be good. Yeah, but this one's like a Lavelle mic. I think I don't know if you call it that, but should be. Kind of like you hook it on your shirt. Yeah. Let's try out this mic. Let's see how good it is. Everybody says this mic is good. Let's see how good it is. I think we just got into a different mic right now. Let me know if it's still good. Let me know if it's if the mic is still good. Anyway, I'm gonna look at gold as well, right? I'll look at gold. I'll check out gold as well. How can I earn $50 from you? Just open an Xnx account. Then you could be lucky. I could send you $100. I sent about like 3 different guys today so far. 3 different guys, easy money. Okay, I know it's not like something that everybody should be like, trying to, aim for. But again, I understand the difficulties in funding, and that's why I'm doing it. I have a lot of haters who saying, why is he giving people money? Like, why is he giving free money? Well, don't you realize that some people don't just have enough money and they need more money to fund their account? So we're doing that. All right. So if you check my Facebook today, right, go on Facebook, and then go follow me on Facebook too, right? I gave a guy, I think my team posted this on Facebook a few minutes ago. Yeah, I think they did post it. Yeah, I gave a guy here $100 on a video call. Yeah, he was so lucky that he got himself. Yeah, this guy, he got himself $100. Easy $100. Yeah. And I know some people think, say it's fake, it's come on, how can this be fake? There's a transaction ID there. You can actually put this transaction ID on your mobile money and check if this is a fake transaction. I don't understand some retards. Like, I don't understand some people, like you doing things like this, and the first thing that a person is gonna say is, well, this is actually fake. Like this is a fake thing. Like he's not giving this money. He didn't give this person money. Go check if that transaction ID is fake too, and go check the names correlating with that transaction. I don't understand some people. I just don't understand. But anyway, I'm just doing this to help some people with funding. And if you are really sensible, you could get yourself this if you open your Xnx account, and then you can utilize that for your first funding. Like you can trade with $100 and make twice that, 3 times that, whatever the case is. Who knows? Maybe if I make profits today, as we are trading on this stream, maybe I'm gonna do some more. Okay, that's if I make money. If I don't, I'm not doing some more. Yesterday I made like $2,600. I withdrew 2004, and I gave out, so far I've given out like $300 from that. So if I make more money today, let's hope that we do. Right? This market is already leaving this range. I saw this earlier, but I was contemplating. This mic sounds even better. Awesome. Beautiful. So I have like a different mic. So glad it sounds better. We're testing it today. We're going to be testing it. Yeah, we just want to see how it works. Okay, so we have an area of interest here. Okay, it's like an area of interest. So we do like, yeah, it's like, okay, then we have a support level here. Okay, so we have like a support level. And in as much as we have a support, we do have the resistance level 2 here. Okay, so yeah, don't be a retard. Don't always look for wrongs in even just things that are straightforward. Like what the hell makes you think that's a fake transaction? What the hell makes you think that is a fake mobile money transaction? I'm putting out a transaction ID on the thing, and somebody says, well, he's faking that. It's not true. Some people are so dumb for nothing, right? But yeah, I have a resistance here too. All right, this market just left this area of interest. It's a range. I think it's like if you notice, it's like a 134 point range. Care to analyze NASDAQ? Don't worry about that, Ebenezer. I'm coming to that. Okay, that's thoughtful of you, sir. Empowering traders financially. May Allah continue to bless you. Awesome. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. It's just for the few people who can be fortunate. It can't be for everybody. But maybe you can be lucky. So what you can do is you open your account with a link. That's it. And you just send me your details, and you could be lucky and just get yourself some funding. It's just a thought of having to realize that there's some people who lack funding, but then they have like a skill. Like person understands trading, like they have all these strategies that work for them, but they just don't have money. And sometimes we do things like this to empower those kinds of people. And it's not for a show. Okay, it's not a show. No, it's not like you're trying to prove a point to anybody. It's just the idea that there's somebody out there who can be lacking funding and might be in need. All right, and we can provide for them, and whenever we can, at least we could. Anyway, so this market looked like we left the range. I think the best entry here is already one that's missed. I was looking for this. I was gonna send this to the VIP earlier. I was gonna send a trade like somewhere here and put like a stop below here. I just don't know how I forgot to put an alert, so I missed it. But this is supposed to be the trade itself. It's supposed to be like this, because right now it's like New York session, and we are in New York session right now. Yeah, New York session. I'm hoping that maybe, I'm hoping that maybe around like 3:30, maybe price can come back and retest this area. Maybe retest like Asian sessions high. I doubt though, because this market looks like it's very strong of a bullish trend. Yeah, I highly doubt if it could. But if you want to jump in, like trading a continuation, you could. I might do that too. Yeah, I might do that too. No lie, waiting to get paid on the 10th to pay for your mentorship. Anytime, man, anytime. You find me, you know where to find me. I'll put a link too in the description. We opened up the Signal platform for this September, right? You guys can still join while it's still there, right? I'm gonna take it out very soon. Then we just, we took our first trade yesterday. Yeah, first trade for this month was beautiful trade. Awesome trade on NASDAQ. I should send out more trades again today. And then we could continue trading and stuff. How can I get funded? Just open an account with Exodus or with the link in the description. Simple. I opened under your link in the past. Do I need to open another? No, just the same account you have. Just send details and you could get live. I'm grateful that I got the opportunity to know you. You're one of the best in this country. I believe you'll come up soon. Great works. Anytime. Appreciate that. So we're gonna counter trade this. This is 3 p.m. I'm just thinking like I could still have, even though this is a missed trade, I could have another trade continuation, like right where price is, and then I could put like a stop like below this candle. All right, I hope you guys see it. Yeah, I could put like a stop like below this candle, and then yeah, something like this. Let's see. I think I'm gonna get into this trade. Oh, I didn't fund this account. I hope it doesn't leave me though. Let me just do it quickly. I'm getting into buys. Yes, I'm getting into buys on this trade. I'm gonna jump into buys right now. So if you want to jump in, jump in. I just got into buys here. This is gold on a 30 minutes time frame. So making you money twice, giving you funding and also going live to give you trades. So if you are very wise, you got the funding, you come on the stream, you take the trades, you make yourself more money. Who does it like that? Tell me who else is doing that? Do you guys know anybody doing that? Someone says, please go live often. I do. I try to go live often. I try. You just miss my lives maybe. I try to go live often. I've been live lately every single week. I go live. Every single week I'm live. Can I trade with Exodus using the trading view? Yes, you could trade with Exodus. Not really using trading view. You could trade with Exodus using the trading terminal that Exodus has. Exodus does have a trading terminal. So you can use the trading terminal to conduct your trading. Okay, so it's as easy as that. How can I come to your office? You need an appointment. You just can't show up like a zombie. You need an appointment. Some of you guys show up like you just can't show up. You need an appointment. I just got into the trade. Awesome. I already have an account with Exodus, but it's not connected to your link. You need to change because the partner you have right now doesn't care about you. I do care for you, and you could hit me up and I'll show you how to change. All right. Yeah, look at that. We are up how many points on gold right now? Don't forget, we are trading a continuation. Okay. And I explained to you guys what a continuation is. It's when you find an ongoing trend, but you don't want to miss out on that particular market movement. So you get into that trade responsibly. So I'll put the stop here for the core purpose that we have a candle here, a bullish candle. So we put on its low. If this candle's low was taken out, then this market is questionable. But in this case, we took out its high. That means that this market is still in a bullish trend, right? Yeah, so that's what we're doing right here. Hopefully it plays out for our favor, right? If it doesn't play out, we're all gonna cry in this chart. But yeah, don't show up like a zombie. Mr. Nas, kind regards, how much is it in-person classes? It's about 8,500 coach. Can you afford that? If you can't, don't even ask. But if you can, now you know, at least you can jump in. Someone says, how was your trading month in August? Was good. 75% good. 25% ish, but it was good. Not bad. Had a good trading month. Not so bad. We're flying right now. Awesome. Mr. Nas, please check out NASDAQ. Don't worry about that. I'm coming to that soon. Right? Even if I don't get funding, I'm still very grateful for the education. That's what's more important, actually, to be honest with you. That's what's more important. The fact that I come here live and I share my insights with you, I educate you, I break down trades, I give you strategies, and I think that's what matters the most, away from everything else. That's what matters the most. Why is it that I'm unable to withdraw? Withdraw what? Maybe you don't have money in your account. That's why you can't withdraw. Well, Exodus's withdrawal functions is all functional. Like everything is okay. You can get your mobile money, and everything is fine. Working. Unless you're using some crazy brokers, right? But where I am, I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. Where I am, I think we're good. Yeah, if you go check out where I am, I think we're good. Unless your broker is being funny. Some of you guys use like some funny brokers and stuff. So, but where I am, I think we're good. I think everything is working. Yeah, everything is working. Everything should be working. I was gonna demonstrate, but I'm using my other phone to do something. I was gonna demonstrate a transaction, but I think I've done a lot of that. Like I think we've done a lot of that. It's still good. It's all right. Let's look at a different asset. Let's look at let's see what's happening with BTC. Okay, BTC just created like a resistance. We have a resistance somewhere here, which also is in an area of exhaustion, right? But selling this market is so risky. Why? It's an uptrending market. Okay, not to say you can't sell it, but it's an uptrending market. Okay, it could sell. Facts. I mean, it could sell, right? But it's an uptrending market. Yeah. What else are you guys trading? Let me know so I can check that stuff out. What else are you guys trading? Let me check. Pending. Sell. No, not selling. What else are you guys trading? Drop it in the box right now. If you want me to continue the stream too, make sure you like the stream right now. All right, we always do that. Unless you don't want me to continue, just like the stream if you want me to still continue and be here. All right, like the stream right now. Let's go. Let's all like the stream. If you like it, then we continue, right? Yes, there's possibilities for this market to go down, but I think it should firstly break this level. Let me show you the level. It should firstly break this level, right? Then I think it could go down, right? So maybe if it does something like that. So right now it's in a range. It's ranging. It's absolutely in a range right now. I'm trading USD JPY. Okay. What position are you on? US30. I used to trade US30 too. 8,005. Now I'm on for yeah, correct. What's the worst broker you've used? I can't mention, but I've used a lot of worst. One of the worst brokers. A lot of them actually, not just one. A lot of bad, terrible brokers in the past. Right. I'm glad that I'm trading on Exodus right now. Everything is perfect on the platform. Smooth, like very smooth. Very smooth. So I paid for the window open. I paid for the window, open your account with your link, but I don't have money to fund. Can you help me? You have your account, right? So just send me your details. Maybe you could get lucky. No guarantee, but you could get lucky. It's just random life. That's a problem sometimes with like free things. It's just like random, but it's worth trying, right? Just try it out. Like you open and you see like, hey, simple instruction. I open my account. Here's my details. You never know. Like some guy called Terry today went on actually was privileged that I even video called him. Like, hey man, he's like, wow, video called me. Yeah. So even 50, I appreciate. We're not here for what? For cash prizes. We're here for lifestyle. Okay, so we're here for live stream. Okay, let me check out NASDAQ now. Let's look at NASDAQ. Let's see what's happening here. NASDAQ. Okay, let's check out this recent analysis. All right, let's look at a clean new analysis. Right, if you look at the daily time frame, this market's been going to the freaking downside. All right, but guess what? I think that downtrend is done. I think that downtrend is done. If I pull out my fib here, right? Like notice this. If I pull out a fib from this low to that high, notice something. This is the daily time frame. This is the daily time. So I'm only pulling out this fib for the fact that some of you guys don't know how to do it, right? Let me show you. I'm only pulling out this fib for the fact that we have an impulse move here. Okay, impulse move is from this low, all right, all the way to that high. Okay, so markets came retraced to this level, bounced up, all right, went to the upside, which is 61.8. Markets came around the same level yesterday, and we bought for that reason with the signal platform yesterday. Let me show you guys something. Okay, so we took a buy off that level with the signal platform because of that same reason. Where is it? So, okay, my signal platform is here. Right here, we have our signal platform. This is the premium platform. I put a link in the description just in case you're wondering. You guys can join this month's signals, right? Yeah, I could send out like some free ones to the VIP, like I always do, but very limited. Like so far, I haven't sent out any trade in the VIP, and I know about that. Yeah, I will send out like once in a while and stuff. But if you want to get more trades, just join this platform. So I sent out a buy here yesterday at 3:30, okay, which is 3:25 p.m. yesterday. Right, we hit 2 TPs, which was good. And that was a reason. The reason was because of what I just explained here. Okay, we came to this area of interest, 61.8. Okay, I noticed that we were at that low. Okay, so it was right that we buy off base of that. We had confirmations though. So if I go down to like, let's say the 4-hour time frame, that area is still strong. So if I'm on the 4-hour time frame, notice something. I doubt that this market will still come back here. It's most likely going to go up to this next level here. All right. Before anything else, it's most likely going to go up. Why? We also just created some sort of like, this was a resistance that was broken. Okay, checking out. So it's just right that markets do what? They continue going to the upside. So long-term bias on NASDAQ is so bullish. Yeah, don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. Someone says, guys, if you're lucky, you'll be funded. Yeah, obviously. Afternoon, Mr. Nas. Afternoon, man. You good? I like the fact that you always go live. Awesome. There's somebody who said, I don't go live often. There's you who's saying you like the fact that I always go live. I don't know which is which, but I try to go live every week at least. Yeah, this is NASDAQ's analysis. So if I go 30 minutes time frame where you can maybe potentially find your trades here, I'm here thinking if price breaks this level, right? Let's say we do break this level where we are, okay? So mostly when I'm looking at the charts, I just kind of like zoom in, right? I don't need to zoom out like too much. Okay, so if price breaks this area here, which it does look like it's about to break, I think I'm gonna look for buys here too. I'm gonna send some buys to like the signal platform too. Okay, so if we break this high, I'm gonna put my stop like somewhere here, which is roughly 56 points. 56 points is nothing. It's nothing crazy, all right? And then you could put like your TP somewhere up here, okay? We're gonna do it together, guys. We're gonna do it together. Don't worry about it. We'll do it together. But my expectation overall is that this is a bullish market, okay? This is a bullish market. What's your favorite food? That question is so unnecessary. That's so unnecessary. That's so unnecessary. Someone asked me what my favorite food is. That's so unnecessary. I don't even know if I have a favorite food, no? Like, what's my favorite food right now? I don't know. I'll wait for this candle to close, and then maybe we can look for like a buy. Yeah, I'll wait for this candle to close. And then gold, what's happening on gold? Oh, gold is still moving up. So you know what you do right now? We are in profits on gold. Simply move your stop to break even, okay? We're up 54 points. Move your stop to break even. Don't cry if this market turns around. Okay, move your stop to break even. Okay, move your stop to what? To break even. Do that. How much are you guys making right now? Drop it in the chat box. Then you're gonna motivate me to continue. If you don't drop it, I'm gonna end the stream right now. How much are you making right now? Let me know how much you're making. Did I show you guys the views? Look at this. Breathtaking, right? Look at these views here. Look at these views. Let me show you like a close range. Let's show you like a close range. Still showing, right? Yeah, it's still showing. Look at these views here. Beautiful, right? I don't know what building that is, but I heard they're building like a hotel. And this should be, no, this is Radisson Blue. Look at how some people live their lives. Look at that guy, he's chilling with his kids on a Wednesday. And look at us here in an office stressing about money. That guy is maybe on a vacation with his kids and family. Look at that. His kids playing around there. Yeah, how crazy and funny life is. Yeah, drop it in the box right now. How much are you guys making? How much are you making? Let me know how much you're making right now. Let me put my webcam back. There we go. And I'm back. And I'm back. Woof. Gold is moving. God is moving. God is moving. God is moving. Are you still holding that trade, YouTube? Yeah. God is moving. This is like 64 points. We just wait for the signal. I gave you a signal here. Looking for buys on US30. What is your opinion on Trump heading to Supreme Court for tariffs? Awesome. That's a very good question. I'm going to talk about that in a bit. That's a very good question. I'm going to talk about that in a bit. I like people who are so observant, like this guy. He understands what's happening. NASDAQ is pumping. Ooh, really? Are we missing? Okay, NASDAQ is about to jump. We're not missing yet, but it looks like it's about to jump. Yeah. It does look like it's about to jump. It does. I'm going to give a trade here too, to our Signal platform. Very soon. I'll give them a nice trade as well. Yeah. I'll talk about the Trump issue right now. Okay? Rather in a bit. I'll talk about it. No stress. I like the fact that you are so observant. Whoever asked that question is very observant. So NASDAQ is quoted as US Tech. Okay? It's quoted as US Tech on what's this thing, on Exness, all right? Yeah, it's quoted as US Tech on Exness. I'm trying to get the prices for it. It is 23, okay, cool stuff. How much are you making, guys? Let me know in the chat box. I want to know how much you're making. I gave you guys a trade on gold. Just let me know how much you're making. That's it. Then I will continue with the stream. If you don't, I'm going to end the stream in a bit. I'm so good at ending streams. You know why? Because I have other things to do too. So if I'm here, I want to trade with you live and we all make some money together. All right? Yeah. So let me know how much you're making. That's if you're making money. If you're not making any money, I understand. But let me know if you took the trade. So there's Trump also going to court over the tariff issue, right? So we'll talk about that. This looks like it's a good oncoming buy trade. Yeah, it looks like a very good one. Let's see if it's going to play out. I haven't entered this trade yet. No, I am just waiting for New York sessions open. If the candle that opens at New York opening bell gives me reasons to, I'm gonna get in. If it doesn't, I won't take the trade. Okay, and that's just how I trade most of the time. If I get reasons, then I'll get the trade. $30, $6, $265. Wow, this guy is making $265 on stream. Nice, beautiful. Big ups to you, man. I hope you're not trading on some funny broker, right? I hope you're trading with Exness and you can get your money easily after that, right? I think that's what matters the most, right? Don't trade with some of these funny brokers, and you fail to get your money thereafter. You trade with a broker that probably cares for you. You've made understanding. What's that? 30-minute candle close above that level, then we're in for buys on NASDAQ. Yeah, most likely. Maybe they think food affects your trading mentally. No, food doesn't affect your trading mentally. It doesn't. Your education has made great impact on some of us, even if we don't have results to show for it. When results will start showing, most likely if you start trading, okay, like you start putting in the work, you open an account, you fund an account, then you get to start seeing results. But I'm glad that you like the education, but I'll be more glad to see that the education is working in your life. All right, because trust me, I'm not here to like just scream around and just like make noise and like a party or whatever. No, we're here to literally bring clarity to your understanding, so you can also equally become a better trader as well. What is your TP on gold? TP on gold, I don't really have any as of now, but okay, I have one here. Have one actually. TP is 35.70 overall, but right now you can close part of your gains, okay, because we are up 70 points on this trade. Live trading, $42, $12, beautiful. And I'm still in Forex. I deposited 400 kwacha on Excellence using mobile money, around 10. It hasn't yet reflected. Maybe you have like some issues, like maybe you didn't verify your account, maybe the number you use has, I don't know, so it could be issues. So the best thing you do is, if you don't have your money cleared, you contact live support. Excellence has live support on their site. So you contact live support, then they help you sort out your issue almost instantly. I didn't say instantly, but I said almost instantly, right? Yeah, this trade on gold, man, look at that. So we saw it down here, then we entered a continuation up there. I hope you saw how we did it, just so we don't miss the trade. So yeah, New York session opening bell in 10 minutes. Yes, you're right, correct, 100%. Any events coming up very soon? Yes, we do have some events coming up very soon. Just stay on the lookout. Did you call those guys? Don't mention. Did you call them? Please. Okay. I want to contact you, sir. You are a celebrity to me. Really? I didn't know I'm a celebrity, man, but I appreciate that. I'll contact you. Yeah, awesome. Just contact me. Get in touch. Do you think gold could continue and hit all-time high of 36? Yeah, most definitely, if there is enough volume. But right now, I would encourage you to break even or secure some of your gains. Okay? So you don't cry afterwards if things go bad. So break even or secure some of your gains. All right? Break even or secure some of your gains. We have BTC here too, which is trying to pump to the upside. Yeah, it can pump further if it leaves this area here. It breaks this range. It could pump further. Yeah, it does look like it could if it breaks the range. Then we have NASDAQ here. We're waiting to get into this market. It looks promising, but we need a confirmation candle, right? Because like where things stand, right? Where things stand, we are sitting around a critical area, which is recent London sessions high and current New York sessions high, and yesterday's London sessions high as well. So it's a critical level that we're sitting at. All right, so let's see. What is the next event? I'll let you know about it in a bit. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But it's happening on the 27th. It's a very intimate event, very small group. Small group to me now means 50 people. That's a very small group. Okay, so it's going to be very intimate, small group, 50 people. All right, and you could be part of those 50 people. 27th, short announcement, but yeah, you guys, if you want to be part of it, you're gonna be part of it. It's not free, no. If you like free things, it's not one of those things for you. This is not for you, okay? So it's a paid event. It's not really it's a paid class. Yeah, so you guys should look out for that. But it's very cheap. It's very cheap. It's very cheap. I'm already in on NASDAQ buys. Okay, beautiful. Is it a good thing to use a TP? Yes. So is it a good thing or not to use a TP? It's a good thing to use a TP. Very good. It's a good thing. Gold has broken monthly high and has no more liquidity to target. I can see a reversal, but we'll see. Yeah, a reversal could happen. I just don't know when. Maybe because you see currently it's already hit like 3,500, right? 3,500. It hit it. Yes, was it yesterday? No, the other day. I think that was not even Monday. It hit 3,500 when? On actually Tuesday yesterday. No, actually it didn't. It hit it on Monday. No, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. It hit 3,500 on Tuesday. All right. So right now it's targeting 3,600. Now 3,600 is like here, which is like 1,000 points away. All right. No, it's like 300 points away from where we are, but 1,000 points from the recent psychology level. All right. So yeah, I don't know if it could hit that level. I don't know, but just still in an uptrend. Just secure what you can secure whenever you can. So yeah. 6 minutes to the open. Yes. How much for the class? It differs, to be honest. We'll have different tickets, like 3 different tickets. So it's going to be like VIP ticket, which is the most expensive. Now, most expensive right now is nothing more than 2,005. Imagine, that's like most expensive, right? So the cheapest could be below 1,000 kwacha. So yeah, if you want to be part of it, be part of it. I'll let you guys know in a bit. I'll announce registration, and you could start getting your ticket, what and what. Just make sure you do it, as quick as you can. Every time I do something, stuff gets sorted out like almost instantly. I contacted them, they said they'll resolve it within 24 hours. Yes, so just wait for them to resolve it. They'll resolve it for you. Yeah, so you liking the stream? You guys loving the stream? I have about like 10 more minutes on this stream, then I should be done. 10 more minutes, then I should be done. God has broken. Okay, I think I read that. Why aren't you trading from home today? That question is really irrelevant. God is gonna shoot. Okay. What if I already have an excess account? You stand a chance. Okay, so let's look at NASDAQ now. Our main focus. 5 minutes before the open. 5 minutes before the open. Even though I put my stop here, sometimes NASDAQ is crazy, right? It's as crazy as it could have the open, right? And we have the open, and then it shoots up, then it comes back, okay, then it goes back up. I've seen movements like that. It's so weird. I think you just have to judge one candle for what it is as markets are in motion. Okay, because like 15 minutes time frame, right? If you notice, we look like we've broken this area on the 15 minutes time frame. Same applies to 5 we haven't, but 15 we look like we have broken. All right, it's just what's happening with the webcam now. It's just the looks of it, but yeah. So 5 minutes is like break above this level. So if that candle starts to kind of like start closing above, then we jump in. You have made Forex trading easy for me to understand. Thank you so much. Anytime, Hastings. You are so welcome. Is it only buys you're looking for? I'm looking for both actually, buys and sells. I'm kidding. I'm looking for buys, yeah. But there's no confirmation yet on the 5 minutes time frame, which is the closest in time frame to look for sometimes, peak entries, stuff like that. Yeah. Oh, we opened. Now we just opened. Yeah. We just had an open right now. Oops. What's happening here? Yeah, we just got an open here. I haven't taken any trade yet. Oh, we haven't actually. I don't know why we had a jump. No, we actually had a jump. We didn't have the open. We just had a jump. Yeah, we had a jump there. We actually 3 minutes away. We had a jump. This candle just jumped for no reason. I haven't taken this trade. No, I haven't. Mr. Nas, my first mentor. Anytime Agape, explain now about Trump. Don't worry, no stress. Just relax. Is there such a thing as secrets to nature of trading? What could it be? There's no secrets to trading. If anybody tells you there's secrets, they're trying to sell you something. There's no secrets, all right? There's no hidden thing. Everything is in plain sight. Because you can read the price too, you can see the assets too, you have access to the brokers the same way they have access to them. There's nothing like a secret. There's no secrets. There's no holy grail. It's just you learning the actual stuff that works and using them for what they are. There's no secrets. What is this event all about? It's going to be a masterclass. Masterclass, don't worry. It's just an intimate small group, all right? Just people who really want to take that trading to the next level, right? We've done bootcamp this year. I think that should have been February, if not later or before. This is going to be, no, we did what else? We did like a first tour, but this is going to be maybe like our third event, which is going to close off the year, I think. Like the masterclass is just going to be one of the last events, most likely. What about today's news? What news is there today? Let me see. Is news today? Sorry? Today. Third. Oh, on the pound. Well, okay, there's a job openings at 4 p.m. I don't know if this will affect markets, but let's see. Maybe. Just wait and see. Yeah, I didn't execute this. No, I didn't. So just in case you're wondering, or you're happy, oh, he's lost. Oh, he's lost. Oh, he's lost. I haven't lost nothing. Yeah, gold is up, flying. Yeah, beautiful. Gold is up, flying. Gold is flying. Who else is in the room with you? That question too is irrelevant. Is trading US tech with $100 advisable? Yes and no. Yes, if you want to lose it fast. No, if you don't want to lose it. Yes and no. Yes, if you want to lose it fast. No, if you don't want to lose it fast. Yeah, US tech is a good asset, but just don't add the times 100. If you add the times 100, it becomes pathetic. Becomes your worst nightmare. There's two assets here if you go on Xmas. Guys, we didn't enter this trade. No, it's going down, yes, but we didn't enter it. No, we didn't do that. Okay? So there's two sides to this NASDAQ, right? On Xmas. There's US Tech 100. Okay? No, there's just US Tech and there's US Tech times 100. Okay? That US Tech, the US Tech that has X100, that one is not a small asset. It's a very big asset, so you need to be careful. NASDAQ is dropping. Yes, NASDAQ is dropping. Yes, NASDAQ is dropping. NASDAQ is dropping. Does it mean NASDAQ is selling? Is it going to be selling for some time? I doubt. Let me show you what I think, right? I hate to trade at the open immediately because some moves are like not so sure. Let me show you now what I'll be looking for. I'll be looking for this, all right? And I'll be looking for this exhaustion area. Okay, I'll be looking at it. Let's see if markets can, find some grip inside there. All right. I still stick to my bias, which is a bullish bias. I still stick to it. I haven't changed the bias. No, I haven't. I still do think markets are in an uptrend. We just need the perfect timing for a good entry. Mr. Nas, do you ever rest? Yes, I do actually, oftenly. Oftenly, I do. I'm not the wicked. There's no rest for the wicked. I'm not the wicked. Okay, let's watch this on a 5 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes is going to be our key entry time frame today. All right. Someone's mentor told his mentee that they should put stop loss 1 and stop loss 2 and stop loss 3. I was saddened. That's the craziest thing I've ever heard on this stream. That's the craziest thing I've ever heard on this stream. 3 stop loss targets. That's the craziest thing I've ever heard. I know about like TPs because you want to be like a little bit flexible, like in terms of when you're getting you're closing your orders. But stop loss 1, 2, and 3. That's the craziest thing I've heard. It's the craziest thing. Where do you guys find these mentors though? Where do you find these mentors? Where do you find them? Stop loss 1 and 2 and 3. Yo, that's crazy. I put an alert here, and I'm gonna put another alert somewhere here too. Okay, so I'm putting 2 alerts. So I added 2 alerts, right? One is up there, the other one is here. So both of them is to signal a buy. Yeah. A fib could work. Yes, that's why I drew the fib. I drew the fib to just observe if it's gonna work. But gold, let's see what's happening. Oh, gold is now, I think it's retracing. But you see, it hit like TP2 because it's like halfway the trade plan. All right, so I hope you secured something there. It hit this 107 points. That's a lot of money for you guys. Yeah, I hope you secured something. So I'm waiting to see what's gonna happen here. If you like the stream, make sure you drop a like right now if you want me to continue. If you don't like, let me see how many likes we have. Then I know if we're going to continue or just end the stream right now. Okay, I like people who come here and appreciate what they're on. Okay, like if you're going to come here, you're going to show that you like what's happening here. And if you show that you like what's happening here, then we continue. If you don't show that you don't like it, then we stop it. So we have about like, how many likes is this? I can't see. Let me reload. Okay, we do have about 66 likes. Let's get at least 74 likes. Let's all like the stream right now. Let's like the stream. 3 stop losses. What are you trying to stop? Exactly. Are you trying to stop your life? It's funny, you know. We need to share the stream. Yes. If you share the stream, it reaches more people, right? And the more people we get here, the more interesting the stream becomes. The more interesting it becomes. Yeah. So I'm waiting to see if markets can hit this level. There's a level here. Check. This level here. You see it? That level. It's 70 likes, 75 likes. I can't see. Is it? It's 80 likes now. Nice. Beautiful. So let's continue for an extra 10 more minutes. Maybe we can get an entry then. Okay. I'm trying to avoid starting to talk about the Trump issue right now because I'm trying to also avoid. I was going to show you, like, let me show you this. Let me show you this. I saw something here. Oh, what's this I'm searching for here now? I saw this. Okay, this is CNN. All right, if Trump loses his tariffs lawsuit, or if he loses his tariffs lawsuit, America may have to refund businesses more than 200 billion. There's a high possibility that if he loses that, America could refund most of these other businesses in about 200 billion US dollars. Majority of sweeping tariffs President Donald Trump imposed during his second term was final test, determine whether he's continuing. Okay. I don't know if there is no possibility. I also can't say there's high possibility. Sorry? Yeah, sure. I can't also say there's no high possibility because check. This is as high as 145% tax on Brazil. No, this was on China. This is like 50% on India and Brazil. Okay, let's check out the asset. Someone says something is happening on NASDAQ. It's still dropping actually. Still dropping. Still dropping actually. Yeah. Now it's trading US tech with $100 with the help of the signals, even worth the risk. Yes, but you see, don't forget, I told you that there's two assets here. There's US tech and there's US tech X100. US tech alone is a good asset. You can trade it with $100, or you can trade it with $100. But as for US tech X100, you might need more because the marginal requirements is a bit high. If it loses, that's going to make gold go crazy on buys. Yeah, it could. Most likely it could. I doubt he will lose though. I doubt he would lose. I doubt he would lose. Strongly. I highly doubt that he would lose. Today's on fire. Oh yeah. We're still hungry. No stress, man. No stress. No stress. I'm here to provide you the value that you need. Z finance trader NAS. Oh really? What do you mean by that? Finance trader. What does that mean? Finance trader. Enjoying the soundtracks in the background. Oh, awesome. Glad you like it. I doubt he would lose, ladies and gentlemen. I highly doubt that Trump would honestly lose. All right. That potential dramatic turn in tariff stalemate that comes after federal appeal would Friday that Trump not will on the international. Okay. This is not actually. Now, let me show you something else, not this. Is this a reason why NASDAQ is going down? I don't think so. I don't think so. Could be anything else. I don't think the Trump issue is what's causing this. This is like a little bit old. This is like 2 days ago. US President Donald Trump warns the US will cease to be a country if tariffs strike down. I will appeal the tariff ruling. I'm not concerned about China and Russia ties. They never use the military in the US. Okay, I honestly doubt, like to be honest with you, I honestly doubt. But if at all he does, we should expect one of the craziest movements on assets like NASDAQ, or let me just say in general, US stocks, indices and stuff. We could expect maybe sharp drops, obviously because of the confidence levels dropping for most investors and so on. That obviously pushes more strength for assets like gold, because obviously that always remains like a safe haven in terms of uncertainty, right? Yeah, but I doubt he would lose that. Strongly doubt. Why didn't you take a sell? I didn't see any confirmation. That's why I didn't take a sell. No confirmation means no trade. At least for me. Maybe not for you, but for me, no confirmation means no trade. There's also this thing at youngest trader, but niche you an adult. Oh my God. Let people express themselves the way they want. Just let them do their thing. Why aren't you using that whiteboard behind? You won't see if I use it. Can you see? No, you won't see. The only time you can see, if I do something like this, let me show you, is only if I do something like, let me show you. Oh no, what have I done? The only time you can see is if I do something like this. Look at that. Made the screen a little bit bigger. But wait, our chart is hiding now. Yeah, we want the chart more. We don't want to see this guy. But that's the only way you can see. I doubt you can see that clear too. Why is it doing that? I don't know why it's doing that. But yeah, it's the only time that you can see is if I made the whole screen big. Yeah, but we don't want it to look like that. Let's just have it back where it was. It's okay like that. Okay, NASDAQ is getting close to my entry area. Okay, there's no entry confirmation as yet. That means I'll be looking for an entry anywhere down here, but there's no entry confirmation as yet. So it's gotten into the area, but no, I can see some exhaustion, even though there's no entry confirmed yet. This is around 50.0. 50.0. Let's see what's happening to gold. Gold is back to the entry. So you see, if you didn't close, break even, you're just back to where you started from. Yeah, sometimes greedy takes a hold of you. So you try and make sure every time you're trading, you're not that greedy, right? Let's look at BTC. I think BTC is going up. Yeah, BTC is going up. BTC is trying so hard to break this level here. It's trying so hard to break that level. Maybe it could break the level like here and then goes up. Maybe. I don't know. Just maybe. Can you explain how you miss enough managed risk? We'll talk about that soon. How far with the giveaways? People getting their money like right now. Somebody just got money. Look, this guy was sent for money earlier today. We paid $100 for only opening your. This guy was paid on video, right? We did like a video call. So he got his share. So if I don't make any profits today, yeah, that's the amount, 2,400 kwacha, which is roughly, yeah, $100. If I don't make any profits trading today, I discontinue the giveaway. So you guys should pray that we get to have a good trade. Go follow me on Facebook, okay? Go follow me so you remain updated. This is my only account, verified with a verified badge. If I don't have a verified badge, it's not my account. You're talking to somebody else. That's not me. All right. This is my Facebook. Just go check it out whenever you can, so you can just be updated on whatever else that I am up to. Let me look at NASDAQ for the last time. Okay. No entry yet. No. This candle almost looked like a very good confirmation candle, but it's not. Let me show you the candle I'm talking about. This bullish candle inside here. It almost looked like a good confirmation, but it's not. You know why? It's a small body candle. So there's no volume, so we can't use it to confirm the trade. We have to wait for something else that's going to be worth our interest. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm out of here. Hope you loved it. Wasn't here for too long. Just make sure that if you want to get most of these trades, of course, off stream, sign up to Signal platform. I'll put the link in the description. If you can't sign up, you could still join the VIP where you get free trades, but it's once a while, okay? But if you want continuous trades every single day, join the premium platform on Discord, right? It's the only main Signal platform that we have. Where is it actually? Okay, it's here. Okay, join this platform, it's on Discord, right? Yeah, so if you could, you get most trades from there, okay? I haven't confirmed this trade on this stream yet. I know it's going to be a bullish market, but there's no confirmation as yet. So yeah, I'm just waiting. Great session. Awesome. Glad you loved it. All right, I'm out of here. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of your trading day and make sure you trade safely. Do not over risk. Don't be greedy. Don't also be scared. Make sure that you trade based off strategy, right? Not like based off hope. Trade with strategy. Right. I'll see you guys. Maybe Friday we are going to have a trade session. Okay, an in-person free trade session. or we're going to have something in person that's going to be free on Friday, just for an hour or something. Not tomorrow, I said Friday. All right. So maybe on Friday, if you are in Lusaka, right, we could call for like a session. You could get invitation, right? If you're lucky, you could get, and then you could come around and, you know, we have some discussions and you know the way we always do it. Just you learn something and we have like a Q&A, we like network. Yeah, it should be good. It should be very good. All right, out of here. Enjoy the rest of your day and make sure you trade safely. All right, I'm going to trade with the Signal platform from here, live with everybody else. Make sure you join. Link in the description right now. Let's go.